And now we're discussing the important chapter about the economics. Now we're starting with the definition that what is economics. Economics means just as derived from the eco means households. Eco means just like a home, and nomi means just the management. The economics just like the management of home affairs. Home affairs means any types of scarcity of materials and any types of things you just have to manage all the resources, money management, everything, just as the management of household, the study of goods and so on. Now, why we study the economics? What is the requirement? Why is it significant of this economics? The most significant of this subject is that the analysis how the society, institution, and technology affect the price available on the resources around the different regions. Most important that societal institution and technology affect price and allocation of resources among the different users. Just because the economics deal with the resources, and explore the behavior of financial market. Economics just behave with the financial institution, how work, how the market stability increases, decreases, lots of things. So economics just a study with the financial, the money flow from one person to another person, so many market to person, institution to examine the distribution of income and suggest a poor can help without harming the performance of economics. The study the pattern of trade, how the trade is in the country, trade deficit or no deficit, such kinds of things is just only we study we study the economics. Developing countries, if we try to understand study the development of any country, the country is that developed or not, just we have to knowledge by the economics. Encourage the efficiency, use of the resource, and the science will deal with the scarcity. And economics just deal with the give the scarcity to another person, the fulfillment to the scarcity places, the resource management from one place to another place. So, and second things as the types of economics. First we have studied the economics. Economics just as the eco means household and nomi means management. First, household, the home affairs management is just like a household management. And second, why is it significant? Because it is most significant because we're doing lots of things by the knowledge of economics. Economics is just like a science, social science, which deals with the behavior, with the resource management, and just as one places to another process, resource management. And another and most important is the types of economics. What is the types of economics? How many forms of economics just we see in the market and the system, society, lots of things. First of all is the capitalistic economy. What is a capitalistic economy? Capitalistic is just like economics, which is just like a capital. The person which has capital, that is capitalist, just like a businessman. The economics which runs according to business-minded person by single monopoly understanding in the sense of capitalistic industry. A capital economy is also known as the free market economy, where the role of the government is a minimum and the market determines the economic activity. Adam Smith is also known as the father of capitalistic. USA, Australia, Japan are the best example of capitalistic economy. Basically, so capitalistic economy is that kind of economy known as a free market economy. Free market economy means and the market is totally depend on the according to company thinking, how the company thinking to behave that things is doing a lot of things according to is the benefit. So people's care is not given attention. So there is only attention on the capital profit. What is the basic features of capitalistic economy? The most basic feature is the private ownership of property and inheritance, and second is the freedom of choices. Private ownership of property, law of inheritance. Most important thing is the capitalistic economy. We have the freedom of choices, because if the market is just under the company rule, so many companies work doing for the benefit of its own economy. Now the motive, the profile motive, profit motive. What is the second thing is the profit motive. This is only for the profit. So the company is just